All right, welcome back, y'all, everyone, to McNeil's Garage. As you seen on the last video, we're gonna start on Trevor's '66 Chevy Belair. And my little buddy Sparkplug don't want to sit on my lap. Like I said last time, I got to pull the transmission out. So tonight we're gonna go yank the transmission out, take the drive shaft out, and we're probably gonna bring y'all along, take it back there, show you. I'm sure everyone knows how to take a drive shaft out, but maybe not. We'll go back here and take the drive shaft out, and we'll be back in a second. All right, here's the U-joints in the drive shaft they're in. Do not pay attention to this right here. We're working back here, not there. This here happened when we went down to Texas. The muffler fell off. We had to have a jack leg do it down in Arkansas. So that's what happens when you hire jack legs. That's the stuff you get. But it got us to Texas and got us back. So, yeehaw. We're going to pull these U-joints out, pull the drive shaft out of the transmission, and we got an oil catch can here, because usually a little bit of oil comes out of it. So, hope not, but we're going to see what happens. The bolts and the retainers off there. Probably need to get a screwdriver. So, here we go. Look at there. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Little hammer persuasion. And we got her out of there. No fluid comes out of the transmission.
Means it's not in it.
That means there's probably none in it. Exactly. All right.
On to the next thing.
On to the next one. So here's a cross member. Here's the Tremec 5-speed. Got the transmission jack. I put a ratchet strap on there because I ain't too crazy about the chains. But watch it fall this go around, and everybody's gonna say, "Yeah, stupid. You need to put the chains on it." All right, we're gonna take these out. And you can take them out of the transmission mounts, and then pull that back. And then we got, I think it's 4 3/4 inch bolts that goes into the bell housing. And then it showed this is the first time that we are pulling this out since we redid the carpet and everything, because we got it pretty tied up against the shifter. I don't know how it's going to work, but anyhow, we're going to take this motor mounts out and see what happens. All right, jack the transmission up. Should be able to pull that thing out of there. Which way you gonna go with it?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know. I guess your way.
Hang on. Can you take your end around some more? All right, there's one cross member for rust of a '66 Chevy Belair.
Totally custom.
Yeah.
Oh no, this isn't custom.
Nope, that's a stock one.
That's stuff.
We just need to customize those hangers over there. All right, 3/4 inch socket, and probably the swivelly doodad. I'll work on this one up here. I won't get too excited though.
Well, I didn't think it was gonna come out that easily.
Otherwise, it's supposed to be tight. Well, let me get a smaller wrench.
All right, I'll leave the top one in too.
Oh, yeah.
He's moving.
Yeah,
There you go.
Need to put a jack stand underneath the motor. All right. Cause the booger's just so in there. All right, let's get this wrenching on this one. Fun times. All right, I want to come over and hold this. You know what I'm talking about. I went like. All right, can you see it? All right, so now I put my socket in there. It's hitting on this ear right there. So I gotta barely turn it. And I'm too close to the fire roll here to get a wrench on it. So we'll keep on doing this. Slow and steady. Ooh. They make them, the Allen head screws. That way you just stick it in
I've
there.
never seen one person use an Allen head screw to bolt their transmission to the bell housing.
Oh yeah.
No.
Oh yeah. Comment if y'all ever seen
Yeah,
a
I'd like to know that.
Allen head screw into the bell housing.
No.
Yeah.
It's worked for 10 years.
Yeah. Pain in the butt to get off. All right.
You can put...
All right. How's it looking up there? Did you show them what you got up there?
yeah.
Oh. So when we did the inside the car, we put metal around it a little bit closer.
Repurposed a sign.
Oh yeah, is that what it was?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah. Huh.
And don't mind all the
Screws.
self-tapping screws.
Yeah. That gives the aerodynamic friend of the car. It lessens the drag on it. All right, I'm coming down some more.
Okay.
Watch it.
Yep, I see it's coming down now. Okay, yeah, you're down.
All right, hang on, let's pull this motor down. I don't know what that was. All right, here it come down. Are we clear yet?
I'm looking.
Almost.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, what?
Just a touch more. Right there looks pretty close. Yeah, because right there's our little hole.
All right, well, hold on to transmission, because here comes the motor down. All right. See what happens. Need a holder for that. All right, you ready? You ready, Freddie?
Yep.
Go back here and grab it. Clear?
Yep.
Still clear?
As far as I can see. Let me grab it again. Let me look up in there. Yeah, I think we're off of it.
All right. I can come down with it a little bit.
I need to weld something right here.
Yeah, I need to do something with it.
Butter.
Easy now. You gotta pick that thing up.
There it comes, well.
Yeah. Hold on, push it up.
Yeah, okay.
Trying to level it out. And this stupid Chinese thing.
Just slower.
All right, here it come down.
Yep.
Watch your fingers.
Yep. Ah. Oh boy.
So.
Well, there she is.
There she be.
There's a transmission.
All right, so here it is, TKO 600, 6-speed American powertrain. Oh, I'm sorry, not 6-speed, 5-speed. The TKO 600 5-speed. Trevor back looked at the time. It took us less than 30 minutes. Pull the drive shaft, cross member, this thing. So yeah, we got to replace this front seal. It's leaking. We were down on the dyno down in Texas. You've seen some leaking underneath it. That's anything, but yeah, once you take it off, you can see how it's wet underneath there. So yep, we're just gonna clean it up. And the transmission mount looks pretty good. So it's gonna clean it up and replace the seal, put the scatter shield on it, and call it a day. So we got to order a gasket, a seal for the front of this thing. So it'll be a couple more days before we get back in there, but we'll have to do the rear end too because it's leaking. We got a new gasket for that, so we'll probably do that this weekend sometime. So, all right. Sean McNeil, McNeil's Garage, and
Trevor.
saying see y'all later. Hope y'all like and subscribe and all that good stuff. All right, see ya.